Hi, I'm Brandon Gracely. I teach high school computer science, and if you are in my computer science class, we are running the ICS4U role-playing game. And I just want to take a few minutes to explain some of the details. I've had a few questions from students about how it works. So the first thing is you're going to make a character name. So for example, maybe Blarg or something more normal, and then your own name goes in the student spot. And in pencil, you're going to fill in your health points, experience points, and level, and the beginning for each of those 50, 0, and 1. So let's talk about health points for a minute. Your character has 50 health points, and you will lose 5 health points if you miss an activity deadline. Now this is something that you are not handing in, but something that you have to complete and finish for yourself for your own practice or learning. And so that's how much it will cost your character if you miss a deadline. So for example, going from 50 down to 45, and this is why we have to write in pencil on this page. If you miss a submission deadline, something that you have to hand in and you don't, you will lose 10 health points for doing that, for missing that deadline. If, however, you meet all of the deadlines for a full week, from Monday to Friday full week, you'll gain 10 health points back, up to a maximum of 50 health points. Again, that's as high as you can go. Let's talk about the experience points, and you'll notice they are daily experience points. So if you participate each day and complete your work and do well, then you'll gain more and more experience points. So for example, if you participate in the Discord, you get 5 points times your level. So if you're at level 3, you'll gain 15 experience points for participating in the Discord. If you work on a course activity, you'll gain 10 experience points times your level. So once again, if you're at level 3, you'll get 30 experience points for working on the course. This is just doing the things you normally have to do. And when you receive a mark on something, summative achievement we call that, so you hand in an assignment, I mark it, and when I hand it back to you, on the day I hand it back, you take your mark and multiply it by your level. So let's say you get 80% and you're at level 3, 80 times 3 is 240 experience points. And one more thing, you'll get your level times 10 for any learning you do that's beyond the course, anything that's not an assignment, not something that I require you to do, but that you do just sort of for fun that's in the same area. So maybe you're learning how to use graphics in Java. That's not something that I'm requiring right now, but you work on it yourself, so you'll get experience points for that also. As you level up, you can see on the right-hand side, there I've got 5 levels listed there. There are more levels, so as we progress further, I'll reveal those for you. And also you've got personal achievements that you can list here. You can make those up for yourself if you'd like to, but I'll also make some up and share them with you either through the Discord or through the course. And the whole point of all this is that you are behaving in a way that is good as a student. You're doing the things that you need to be successful, and as a result, of course, that will lead to success. So I hope that you participate and keep track of the health and the experience of your character, and that you have some success in ICS4U. Thanks.